We are at Country Coffee and Grub, and we are going to get some mochas and try them out. We've never been here before, so we'll let you know what we think. We'll get back to you.
Oh, we do not have a coconut milk.
Okay.
We have soy, almond, oat, and
Soy. Soy is fine.
Soy fine.
soy. Okay, that's with the raspberry one, right?
Uh-huh. And then we're gonna do just a white mocha. With no,
White coffee as well.
yeah, hot with no whip.
Also
Nope.
16 ounce.
Yeah, also 16 ounce.
Those three drinks?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got two regular mochas. One of them the raspberry with soy milk, and then the white mocha.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's gonna be 21.24.
And so we're ready to do the taste test, and I'm gonna try mine first. This time, men first.
What do you think? That's not a very good face.
I see why we never got coffee here. We're gonna have to give this one a 5. I'm gonna give this one a 5. And I'm gonna hold a comment that it's not very good because I probably would go down some more. So I'm just gonna give it a 5.
Okay.
And you wanna taste yours?
Yep. Okay. It's not horrible, but it's not the best. So I'd give it a 7, I guess.
7 and 5 equals
12.
so 12 is the total score.
Yep.
What's the name of this coffee place?
Country Coffee and Grub.
Country Coffee and Grub gets a 12.